In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix VLC lag when playing 4K videos. If your 4K videos are stuttering, freezing, dropping frames, or the audio is out of sync in VLC Media Player, this guide will help you fix it step by step. These settings work for most systems, even if you have a powerful PC or laptop, because VLC doesn't always handle 4K and HEVC perfectly out of the box. Make sure to watch till the end, because the first fix is the most important one. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. The first and most important fix is disabling hardware acceleration in VLC. Even though hardware acceleration sounds like it should improve performance, in many cases it actually causes lag, especially with 4K, eHEVC, or H.265 files. To do this, open VLC Media Player. At the top, click on Tools, then go to Preferences. Make sure you are on Simple Settings. Now click on Input and Codecs. Look for the option called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. By default, this is usually set to Automatic. Click the drop-down and change it to Disable. Once you've done that, click Save at the bottom and completely restart VLC Media Player. This single change fixes 4K lag for most users, so make sure you don't skip the restart. Next, we're going to change the Video Output module. This setting controls how VLC sends video to your graphics system, and the wrong option can cause stuttering and dropped frames. Open VLC again, go to Tools, then Preferences, and this time click on Video. Find the Output drop-down menu. You'll want to test a few options here, one at a time. Start by selecting Direct3D11. Click Save, restart VLC, and test your 4K video. If the lag is still there, go back to the same menu and try OpenGL, then restart and test again. If that still doesn't work, try DirectX, also called Direct Draw. Finally, you can try setting it back to automatic if needed. Make sure you restart VLC after each change, because the setting won't apply properly otherwise. One of these output modes usually works much better for 4K playback depending on your GPU. The third fix is increasing file caching. This helps VLC buffer more data in advance, which reduces stuttering during high bitrate 4K playback. To do this, go back to Tools, Preferences, then Input and Codecs. Look for file caching, measured in milliseconds. By default, this value is very low. Change it to somewhere between 2,000 and 3,000 milliseconds. This gives VLC more time to load data smoothly. After changing this value, click Save and restart VLC again. This is especially helpful if you're playing large 4K files from an external drive or a slower storage device. The fourth and final step is making sure VLC is fully up to date. Newer versions of VLC handle 4K, eHEVC, and modern codecs much better than older versions. To check for updates, click Help at the top and then Check for Updates, or simply download the latest version directly from the official VLC website. After updating, reopen your video and test the playback again. At this point, your 4K video should be playing smoothly without lag, stuttering, or freezing. And that's it. You've now fixed VLC lag for 4K videos using the most effective settings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.